Here's a walk into the village from the main entrance. That's the back of the church. I guess they call that the nef. This is Grenoble, excuse me, Villar this Sunday morning. Around Villar Duran. That's the Auberge du Bec, I believe it's called. They put a new sign. Seem to drop the du Bec part. Here's the little épicerie, which is a co-op, which we just joined. It happens to be the Fête de Musique Day, and all of France celebrates. Look at that, how pretty that is. We're going to take this street over here. Sunday about 9 in the morning. This is just really pretty. Oh no. Look at this garden. I think this is what I prefer about this village. One of the things I prefer about it over some of the other hamlets around Le Grave is that it's a little more gardeny, I would say. And what else? Oh, and then the big thing is it's a little more served by facilities like restaurants and hotels, so there's a mix of tourism and locals. So I'm not sure which one to go first. This is the historic community oven where they bake bread once a year for the entire year. And they still do it as a matter of tradition. And that's the little chapel that supplements or augments the big church you saw. Look how pretty that is. But we're going to head back this way. By the way, this last few days has been the first I've walked outdoors consistently without a crutch or cane since my hip replacement surgery. I hope the brim of my baseball cap is not interfering with this. Come on, Spike, let's go. And that's the little tobacco press. Come on, Spike, don't be licking gross things. So much texture. I have not gone in there yet. Shame on me. And in the morning, well, all day really, but particularly in the morning, I can hear the cowbells in the hills. Gaining a little bit of elevation in the village, and we're heading towards the main street. Up here, there's 2 hotels here. One is I'll butcher these names, the La Agenue, which is this one right here. And then next to it, we'll see in a little bit, is the Faranchon. And looking down there is the Malaval Gorge. I guess Mikey's gonna take a pee break. Yeah. And there you see kind of the mountains surrounding or coming up to Limage. I'm talking kind of quietly because it is Sunday morning. And I feel a little bit embarrassed, to tell you the truth, with a big camera gear kind of thing set up on my my baseball cap. It's a GoPro, but then it's got a bunch of, which is not that big of itself, but it's got a bunch of gear attached to it that really increase the size. Okay, so this is the main road, 1091. And so apart from Le Grave, I'd say Villar is the most accessible of these cluster villages. You can see there's a good chance that let's back up a little bit off the road. There you go, the hotel. So down there at the bottom is Le Grave, and then heading up to the right of that is Montalon, and to the left is Les Terrazes. And then out of view on the right would be Les Eres, or Les Eras, I've heard it, or seen it referred to as well, which I think is the patois for the little village. And then anyway, to the left, but you're not able to see it, is Le Chazelet, and there's a ski area there as well. There's a motorcycle coming. And from what I can tell, there's 2 or 3 major active farms. Major. That's a bit of an exaggeration. Here's the hotel. So there's these 2 hotels. There's the auberge, and then there's several gîtes. So yeah, we're walking along the main road here, 1091. That was interesting. The kid on the mountain bike. Looked a little bit dangerous. So that is the Bec de l'Homme. Oh, there's a lady with a... I've encountered that border collie. He is a bit aggressive. Oh boy. Phew. It's me telling Spiky to heel. He's not really paying attention though, is he? He's too distracted. This is a bit of a bird's eye. Okay, Spike. Okay, so she's heading down there. It's kind of where I want to head to. For Spiky, this village is just a smorgasbord of smells. Look at the chicken, can you see? So, Villar, historically, these homes had thatch roofs, and it had a number of fires throughout history, through the centuries. Bonjour. Heel. Heel. Heel, Spike. Heel. There you go. In the winter, these roads are just amazingly snow covered. Now we have a couple options. What do I want to take? We haven't gone through this road here, I don't think. Spike is really wanting to pull. And I'm wanting you to heel. He's usually much better about healing. The big building that seems mostly closed up. I think this might join up with where we started, more or less. And there we go. Yeah. We'll walk it anyway. Remember this? I hope I have the wide angle lens going. I forgot to check. And there we go. Here we are.